This is Amit. We're going to be installing an electric sunroof in this vehicle, and I wanted to document it all for you. So you'll see it. We already did one step. We took the headliner out. See all the holes? There's usually screws there. This is going to get moved back here, and the roof is going to sit from here to about here. So that's how this is done. Begin drilling. Our roof has been marked to be right about here. No شرط. لا مو شرط النص هلا بتشوف ليه؟ ليه؟ هلا كثير بيهين لك كثير من الشرط. ليه؟ And you see all the steps on it. My very first sunroof in 1979, I actually used the template much like this one. Went through all the steps and did them. Now I know them by heart. قال له لك يا معلم يا معلم يا معلم غلم وغلم يا معلم. So we're now ready for the cutting stage in the process.